Hi friends, how are you? Today I have come to you with a very interesting story. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Your small subscription will help me a lot. So please subscribe. Now let's go into the story. This story is based on a real incident that happened in the state of Bihar. There was a boy named Raju in a village in Bihar. His parents lived by doing odd jobs. Raju was studying in the 10th class in the government school in his village. He studied very well. He was also very handsome. All the girls in the school used to look at Raju. Isn't that how it is? A new teacher came to the school. Her name was Anupama. Everyone called her Anu. She spoke English. The teacher went to Raju's class. The teacher asked everyone to tell their name, hometown, and parents in English. Raju's time came. Raju was telling about himself. Anu looked at the teacher with interest and tried to eat Raju. After the class was over, she went to Raju and got to know him completely. Anu thought in her mind that she should enjoy Raju somehow. The next day, Anu's teacher inquired about Raju. Everyone said that Raju was the class topper, but he was a little weak in English. Anu's teacher went to Raju and said, "Raju, you are studying very well, you should study even better. But you are a little weak in English." Raju then said, "Yes, teacher, I don't know much English, but what should I do? I will give you English tuition. But teacher, we don't have much money, so there is no need, since you are the class topper, I will teach you for free." Raju said, "Thank you very much, madam." Anu's teacher said, "I will come tomorrow and talk to your parents." The next day, Anu's teacher went to Raju's house. The teacher told Raju's parents everything. Raju's parents bowed to the teacher in gratitude. Their mother told Raju to fall on Anu's feet. When Raju touched Anu's feet, something started to stir in Anu's mind. Then Raju's mother said, "Thank you very much for educating our son. It's okay, Raju was studying very well. But he is a little behind in English." The next day after school, Raju went to Anu's teacher's house. Anu's teacher was wearing a very beautiful sari. She taught him to study for a while. After some time, the teacher came wearing small drawers and a bra. Raju looked at the teacher. Then the teacher asked what Raju was looking at, "This dress." She said that "I wear something like this when I am at home." Raju was studying without saying anything. Anu's teacher tried a lot to provoke Raju. But Raju did not respond. The teacher said that there was no more use, so she mixed sleeping tablets in a glass of milk and gave it to Raju. Raju slowly fell into a stupor. Then the teacher took him and went to her bedroom. She enjoyed kissing Raju for some time. Then Raju took off his dress and kissed his entire body. Then she took off her dress. She enjoyed Raju fully for some time. Then Raju woke up. Let's continue with the story part 2 later. If you don't want to miss more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. If you want any more videos, tell us in the comments. Thanks for watching.